Greetings everyone, my name is Gyanika Rathod. My father's name is Gyanendra Singh Rathod and recently I graduated from St. Mary's Convent Senior Secondary School, Ajmer. My aggregate percentage in class 12 board exam was 96.2%. In physics, chemistry and biology I scored an individual of 95 out of 100. In JEE mains my overall percentile was 90.46. In physics it was 92.35 and in chemistry I got 97.40 percentile. Now I've been a student of this institute since the last 2 years and there are various features of the institute that has basically enabled me to achieve this considerably good score, and I'd like to shed some light on a few of those features. First of all, I'd like to talk about the testing system. Basically a new test series was introduced for us that was based on the pattern of the CBSE board exams. These test series basically enabled us to come up with an apt strategy to answer the questions and basically enabled us to time ourselves, like what would be the time in which we're supposed to answer each question, and basically gave us an idea how are we supposed to interpret the questions, tackle them and answer them. Another thing that I find very helpful is the doubt solving platform. No matter what your doubt is, the teachers are always available here at the institute to solve all your doubts, and that indeed turned out to be very helpful in the end, and that bore fruit. Another thing, it's a very unique feature, was basically a few days before the board exams, a seminar was being conducted which was on how to score 90% plus marks in board exams. And that seminar basically laid down an apt strategy of that should be there for answering the questions and basically enlightened us with various tips and tricks that should be used in order to answer the questions of board exams. And one of the tricks that I found very useful and I personally adopted was the diagrammatic representation of my answers, and basically that basically turned out to be really good, and it helped me a lot while answering the questions. That made my answers look more presentable, more scientific and more rational. Another thing which is a very unique feature, I find it very unique, is the motivational sessions. Whenever I would feel down, there were various motivational sessions which were being conducted in the institute itself, and they were always able to lift up the spirits of the students, and they basically helped me to stay focused and motivated and focus on what's important and what is my ultimate goal. Another thing is that apart from the major and the minor and the semi-major tests, we also had smaller tests like the chapter completion test, revision test and unit completion test. These were the smaller tests which were based on each and every single chapter. So after one chapter would be completed, these smaller tests would be conducted, and they would basically give us an idea of the variety of questions that can be framed from a single chapter, and they helped us to get more thorough with the content of the chapter. So these tests in particular were really helpful. In the end, I would just like to leave a suggestion for the upcoming 12th grade aspirants is that you need to stay focused, be thorough with the revision, be consistent, and consistently revise the NCERT and be really thorough with it. That's going to help you a lot in the board exams. Thank you.